Hello friends. National Testing Agency had releases its public notice regarding the schedule and date sheet for Common University Entrance Test, that is CUET PG, and syllabus and details regarding that format we have earlier shared and made a video regarding this. You can log on our channel and view that one also. So regarding the date sheet, you can see for date sheet for MPT will show the registration process for CUET academic year 25-26 from 2nd Jan to 8th Feb, which was done already, and correction window also 10 to 12 Feb was done. And regarding this, few modifications were made from the CBT mode that was happened to exam take place in 13 March to 1st April 25 across 43 shift and 90 minutes each. So it will be conducted for the 150 subjects for 4,12,024 unique registered candidate. It's written according to registration. And this for examination schedule provided in Axial 1. So medium of question paper will be English and Hindi, bilingual both. Okay, so it's written here, and the city intimidation seal will be available on the NTA website nta.ac.in or exam.nta.ac.in/CUET-PG. So for any queries, help desk mail is given. And now let's move on to the date sheet, the most important part. You can see the date sheet and schedule of an Axial 1. So 13 March 25, it is divided into 3 shifts. Shift 1, which is 9 AM to 10:30 AM. Shift 2, 12:30 PM to 12 PM. Shift 3, 4 PM to 5:30 PM. So 90 minute duration each is given. So we can see the exam starting from the 13 March. The subject is given. And for physiotherapy, it is given on the 1st of April. You can see the 1st April, the shift 1 no exam, shift 3 also no exam, and shift 2, that is 12:30 PM to 2 PM. Shift 2 for date 1st April 2025, the MPT exam will occur. That is MPT exam code SCQP21 MPT, you can see here, and date is 1st April 2025. So this is the detailed schedule of examination as released from NTA, National Testing Agency. All the best. Thank you.